Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever found yourself endlessly scrolling through fonts in Canva, feeling a little overwhelmed and thinking, how do I actually find the best fonts and how do I keep track of my favorites? This video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through a super practical way to discover amazing fonts in Canva, see how they work together, and save yourself a lot of searching later on. By the end, you'll know exactly how to effortlessly find the perfect font for any project and keep your design process smooth and enjoyable. Alright, let's dive right in. First up, of course, you'll want to open Canva just like you normally would. If you're already familiar with the dashboard, great. If not, don't worry. Everything you need is right on the homepage. Now, instead of picking a pre-made template or an existing design, we're going to start totally from scratch. Click on that cheerful Create button at the top right. For today's purpose, choose the custom size option. Here's a little trick. Set your dimensions to 100 by 50 pixels. This might sound small, and that's exactly the point. We want a bite-sized canvas, perfect for previewing a font without any distractions or extra layout concerns. It's like having a mini notepad just for trying out typefaces. Next, let's add some text. It can be a random word, your brand name, or even sample, whatever you like. This is where the real fun begins because now you get to experiment. Click on the text box you just added and then at the top, find the Fonts drop-down menu. This is where Canva really shines. Take a closer look and you'll see several helpful categories like recently used, which is great if you revisit favorites often, popular fonts which highlights what's trending, and brand kit, which is super handy if you've set up your business branding ahead of time. Don't rush through, hover over each font to see how your text changes in real time and pay attention to how each style makes you feel. Is it elegant, playful, bold? This moment is about exploring what vibes work for your project. Also, notice a little text tab there as well. Give that a click. Now, this is a really useful feature. Right here, Canva shows you curated font combinations that just work together. If matching fonts feels intimidating, or you're not sure which header pairs nicely with a body font, these combos make decision-making a breeze. Think of it like having a stylist pick out matching clothes for you. Now let's circle back to the left side of your screen and click the Design tab. Under Styles, you'll find what Canva calls font sets. This is a killer shortcut. When you click any of these font sets, Canva instantly applies a harmonious group of fonts to all your text on the page. No need to test pairings one by one or stress about consistency. Canva does the heavy lifting. This is perfect for anyone working on multi-section graphics or presentations, letting you maintain a professional, cohesive look with just a click. You'll see there's really no need for extra hassle, tab switching, or memorizing lists of font names. This process saves you time and keeps everything organized right within your project, and that's all there is to it. With these steps, you'll feel so much more confident in choosing and saving the best fonts in Canva, making your next design project not just easier, but more fun. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave me a comment if you have any questions or favorite font discoveries, and of course, subscribe so you never miss out on more Canva tips and creative tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.